Wagwan, me brother and sister. We are going to learn about Jamaican Patwa spellings and pronunciations. What a gwan? What's going on? Me stay there. I'm staying here. Me pay for your money. I paid your money. Them a red gun. They have already gone. Me brother sit down upon chair. My brother is sitting on a chair. What make them galang so? Why do they behave like that? Somebody asked me a question. Someone asked me a question. My sister eat wolipa food. My sister eats a lot of food. All men have to know this year. All men have to know this. Me love for me mother tongue. I love my mother tongue. Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning Jamaican Patwa. Jah bless unu. Jah bless unu. Bye bye.